Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Theanine. This remarkable amino acid, naturally found in tea leaves, is known for its calming effects without causing drowsiness. It can help you feel more relaxed and focused, making it a popular choice for enhancing cognitive function and managing everyday stress. Many people find it beneficial for improving their overall sense of well-being and mental clarity. When considering L-Theanine, typical doses range from 100 milligrams to 400 milligrams daily. For best results, take it 30 to 60 minutes before you want to feel its effects, whether that's for a focused work session or winding down in the evening. Some individuals also like to combine L-Theanine with caffeine to achieve a state of calm alertness, enhancing focus without the jitters. L-Theanine is widely available in various forms, including convenient capsules, versatile powders, and of course, in many types of tea. Generally, it is well tolerated by most people and has very few reported side effects. However, as with any supplement, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before you begin taking L-Theanine, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on other medications. To further enhance the benefits of L-Theanine, consider pairing it with other supplements. For example, combining it with magnesium can support better sleep quality, while adaptogens like ashwagandha may offer additional stress relief. Remember to check the description below for links to these and other great deals. Exploring these combinations can help you tailor your supplement regimen to best suit your individual needs and wellness goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.